Welcome back, guys. I hope you're all okay. What an exciting week that was for me, honestly. I've managed to start the engine at last, but it didn't go according to the plan. I was struggling for a couple of days. I couldn't get the timing right. Then I was struggling with radiator, the water pump, so I still got quite a few issues to sort out. Nevertheless, the engine is running. Everything seems to be fine. It was running for half an hour. So yeah, let's begin. Yeah, so quite a few changes. Mm, I was really, I am still struggling with a water pump. I don't know what's wrong with it. It was working fine before, but now for whatever reason, just doesn't flow the coolant properly. Um, so it's gonna be something that I'm gonna have to address before fitting the engine into the car. Um, what else? What else? What else? Oh yeah, the radiator. That's knackered. It's we've got a small hole over here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Probably not. You won't be able to see that on a camera. But anyways, yeah. I'm not gonna. It's a rather old radiator, so I'm not gonna try and patch it up or anything. I'll just order the new radiator. I think it will look and work much better. There was an issue with a temperature sensor, so I've scrapped the previous one. I bought the new one and that wasn't working, so I've ended up buying something like that. What else? As I said, yeah, I couldn't get the timing right for quite some time. It took me probably a whole day to figure out what to do with it, but it's all good now. Guys, it is the last episode this year. I wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and hopefully I will see you in 2023. My name is David. Thanks for watching.